All right, hey guys, this is Jason and I'm back. I just wanted to give you headlights of what it would look like when you first log into Wealth Affiliates and what to expect and what to experience here before you actually even go to the page. So let me show you what it kind of looks like. All right, so I'm Wealth Affiliates now here, and obviously I've got my picture right here, and I am a premium member because I believe it's important to, if you're going to promote something, be part of that particular program. And if you can see here, you've got a ranking on this site. It'll be around 200, I think 2 to 300,000 people that are in this, and there's ranking in here. And I did do one blog post and I got 99 people following me right now. So you'll be able to see your rankings right here along with your profile. Now on the left hand side are these widgets area right here, and this is your dashboard, which I'm in right now, and it's basically a blog post. Okay, so these are all the different blogs that are being posted throughout the day because you have a blog, and I'm going to show you that in a minute here. But there's all kinds of training, guys. When you actually go in here for free, you're going to have a ton of training that you can do for free. However, highly suggest going ahead and signing up for the full premium membership, which is only $49 a month. It's cheap, guys. That's very cheap. $49 a month is nothing compared to what you would have to pay for and what I have paid for in the past, which is thousands of dollars for courses that are, I already can get a lot of this information from somewhere else. So this is very good training you have here. So anyway, I'm going to go into that in a minute, but you also have your website. Now you can set up, I can't remember the exact number of websites, but it's like 20 websites right here for free right now, so you can go get that set up there. But in order to load plugins and all that, you'd have to go to the premium membership, which is $49 a month, and that's it. And then there's live every Friday. They have live events that you can join and also watch all the previews of all the live events throughout the year. So, and then this is what I was talking about before. For $49, you get this research tool, and this research tool allows you to keyword marketing. And if you become part of my team and we sit down and talk about how important keywords are in order to build your business online, you will understand the value of this particular piece right here, because that research right here will cost you tons of money, because you can do it for free within Google Analytics, but it's very difficult and it's not very fun. And then you got live chat, where this is the actual live chat right here that you can see on the left hand side here. And then there's also a help center right here that you can go to. So let me go back to the top here. I'm going to click on my name right here. And when I click on my name, there's a little box that will appear to the right here. And since I'm doing a live presentation, it doesn't want to work as well. There we go. Maybe I didn't click on it. But you see my profile. There's the blog. It's kind of the same information I went over a minute ago, and then it talks about your credits. You take a system tour, so you can get and exactly what I'm doing for you. You can do it right here, and it will go through all of this with you again. This talks about all of the premium, what's included in the free and in the paid, so you're going to want to go through that, and then obviously your account settings. Now up top here, you're going to use these buttons a lot. Now you're going to be able to do a blog and writing your blog post right here, because this is your blog post that you can write, and it'll actually show up down here as a post that you can send to, and you can help people and get paid for helping people right on this site. Now you can create your own training, but you have to be a premium member to do that. And then there's writing articles. So we'll talk about how do you write articles. And let me tell you, a lot of people pay premium prices just to do the article writing in here. And then here's your build your website and find a domain that you would really want. Now over here is your another button here allows you to go into your WordPress in that side of the area and goes through that. Now here is your affiliate program area. This allows you to tell you what type of programs it is, your stats, how many people are actually looking at, and how many referrals that you've got, so that you can make money by referring people to this wealth affiliate program. And then it talks about your tasks. You have tasks in here. When people sign up, you're going to comment on their tasks. and then your referrals and links out so that you can promote your products. And then here's some tracking and link tracking that you can do. And then there's also messages and banners that you can download and use. Now here, this little plane up here, this is when you get to a certain level, you get a free trip to Vegas that you can take, all expenses paid, directly go to Vegas right there. They'll talk about that in the training down here. And this is a notification bar of how many people have commented on your post, and what you need to do to go follow up with some of these people. And then obviously you have a private message box here where people can private message you. Now only if you're a premium member is you can be a private message right there. Now I wanted to quickly go through the training here because the training is phenomenal, guys, just phenomenal. Through here, this is just a setup. I mean, kind of what I'm doing right now. This will go through the entire setup of all this training, and that's just basically the first one. And then you can build your own traffic product website. You can make money, mastery social marketing. I mean, guys, there's so much. There's affiliate training here. There's all kinds of my training activities that you could take. Look at all these different courses in here that you could do. There's training HQ here, and you can look through there and you can actually find which topics you want to do. You want to find about WordPress websites, writing content, ranking in Google, creating images. And this is very important because you do not want to create images or steal images off the website and find out that you're going to get sued later. So it's very important to watch that. And then hosting and domains. And there's all kinds of, you just click on, let's say hosting right here, and it talks about what your hosting is and how you can go through all the different hosting. Look at all this stuff that's out there. That's amazing what you can do and what kind of training you can get. There's over 400 hours, I believe, of training just in here, if I remember correctly. So that's kind of a snapshot of what you're going to do. Your profile picture is extremely important, guys. You want to make sure you put your picture there. And don't leave that blank. Most people leave that blank and you won't get your rankings. You won't get ranked as much if you leave that blank. So it's extremely important when you put your profile there. I'm going to go into my profile and talk about this a little bit more because it is important to talk about yourself here. So when you do about you, you want to talk a little bit about your experiences, and then you want to talk about, how you can help people and kind of guide them to a way that you can get them to comment below. Okay, and most people are going to comment no matter what you put in there because they want you to follow them back so that they can get ranked better in here, and that's important for you. And then you have all these different badge levels that you can achieve as you go through the courses through here. When you build your website and get things set up, you get all these ranks and badges on here. It's very, very cool. So hopefully you like this. If you did, let me know. Message me on Facebook. I definitely want to hear what you have to say about this. And there's your blogs. Here's your questions that you're gonna have, and more training in here. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I said this. If I did, I apologize. But once you're in 3 months at a premium level, once you become in 3 months into this at a premium level, you can create your own videos or own training and get paid for it. That's awesome. So there's multiple ways of making money just within Wealth Affiliate. And then since you hooked up with me, I'm going to be able to teach you a lot of different ways too. So there's in here, when you get your affiliate link, we're going to be talking about click magic and to be able to put wrappers around your affiliate link so that nobody will shut you down because you're using an affiliate link. It's your own personal domain, using that reroutes that domain directly to Wealth Affiliate or any other area. So we got a lot to learn, guys, and I can definitely help you. I'm looking forward to working with you. Make sure you sign up, and guys, go ahead and do the premium right away because it's too important. Because you get access to a lot more information, a lot more training, and so the premium is easy, and it's only $49 a month. It's like $1 a day. It's not even that big. It's like $1.10 a day, or maybe $1.02 a day. I don't even know. I didn't do the math, but Think about it. It's very cheap and allows you to get to the premium level, and you get full access to this whole thing. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, let me know. All right, guys, I will let you go. Have a great day and go out and create multiple streams of income, because you need to retire from your current day-to-day job and become financially free and become independent, that you can help other people become successful. And the only way you become successful is by helping other people to become successful. Does that make sense? If it does, let me know. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye.